It's an exciting day because one of our members, Jessica, is in the junior version of the Great British Bake Off. Yes, Jess is a really good baker, as well as riding our pony Ted. Now, Teddy Bear, the television want to film you to make a little story all about Jessica's life outside of baking. So, Ted, we better get you ready because the film crew is coming. Right, so we've got Ted in for the film crew. Hello, Ted. And oh no, disaster. He's rubbed his tail. He does have a bit of sweet itch and he's rubbed the hair off of his tail. Oh dear, Ted, that's not going to be good for the filming. So Holly has an idea. She thinks she can match hair extensions to the same colour as Ted's tail. Now, happily, Holly has some hair extensions, which she's very bravely lent here, and we're having a go to see if we can fit them on Ted. Now, Holly's managed to fit the hair extensions, and they do look pretty impressive. What a beautiful tail, but they're the wrong colour. And so we're going to have to send out an emergency order to see if we can get the right colour. Thanks to the wonders of the internet, we've got an emergency delivery of the right colour. So let's have a look. Oh, wow. Well done, girls. That does look like a beautiful tail. No one will ever know. Does look perfect. It looks like we're ready to face the cameras. The film crew's here, started filming, and Ted looks just perfect. If you'd like to see Ted and Jessica on Junior Bake Off, they are on Series 10, Episode 6, and it's showing now on Channel 4. Next week we'll have a look at the beautiful riding hat cake that Jessica made.